Hello and welcome to Fundu Money. In this whole period of Corona pandemic crisis, health expenses, concerns regarding meeting health expenses is on the top of mind of everybody. And luckily, there have been two products related to health insurance that have got launched recently, and we're going to be covering both Corona Kavach policy and Corona Rakshak policy. These are the two policies that we want to discuss here. They are important developments. How should you be looking at them? How do they relate with other products? We'll be discussing them. We'll be coming up with the details in just a little while. Welcome back. Welcome to Fundu Money. We are talking about Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak, two COVID-related health insurance plans which have been launched recently. And the idea behind the launching of these products has obviously been very largely overseen by IRDAI, the regulatory body for life and health insurance. And the idea was to provide protection to people who have been affected economically through the economic downturn that has taken place with the pandemic outbreak, and also the health expense angle that's come in, so that there's some level of protection. So the idea behind this presentation is to give you some brief sort of idea about the features of these two products, and also how one can look at health insurance protection in this period and how they relate to existing products. So let's get started with these two products. First, Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak. So we'll keep moving from one product to the others to help you get a larger picture, and we'll also bring in some other facts and other features from other products here and there. Right, so let's get started. Even as we do that, we would like to tell you that please check out our other Corona Money Secure from Corona series that we are doing. There are other videos and other presentations that we have. Do check them out. Check out our playlist. Go to the description section of all videos and podcasts, and you'll get edited highlights and links. Right. So let's get started. Corona Kavach is an indemnity kind of a policy. So basically, whatever expense that you incur, right? That gets you for hospitalization, etc. That you're paid back, right? So the base policy for Corona Kavach, which you will get from any general insurance or health insurance company, right? So that's the operative part. Corona Rakshak, we'll come to it in a moment. But Corona Kavach you'll be able to get from a health insurance or a general insurance company, and this product is basically an indemnity product. There is a bit of benefit also, which is basically you're given cash during hospitalization. So it's a daily cash benefit, which is 0.5% of this sum insured for every 24 hours that you spend in hospital, and that's for a maximum of 15 days. So that's the benefit part of it, and the base part of it is an indemnity. Depending on the number of days you spend in a hospital, you are paid. Of course, what you need to remember is the kickoff period is that you need a 24-hour hospitalization for this benefit to kick in. So that's a Corona Kavach for you to begin with. Now Corona Rakshak, the way it's different, it's a benefit policy. So whatever happens to you, get the full payment. It's almost like a rider or a life insurance. All the health plans which life insurance companies provide, the moment a trigger happens and you paid the whole amount. That's why you need a 72-hour hospitalization out there to start getting the benefits, and the amounts are also a little different. In both cases, the minimum amount is 50,000, but for Corona Kavach, the coverage is 5 lakh. For Corona Rakshak, it is 2.5 lakh only. Now, the very important part here is these products would be available till the coverage will be available till 31st March. So these are short-term products, right? So, and that is a key factor that you need to keep in mind, that suppose you don't have any coverage, you're young and you've started out working and you want some kind of protection, not all kind, very wide-ranging protection, but COVID-related protection, this is the product to go for. Okay, so Corona Kavach is to go for. But if you want something wider, then a Corona Kavach will obviously not be enough. So these are COVID-19 treatment specific products. You can Corona Kavach, you can take it for 3.5 months, 6.5 months, and 9.5 months. But now, the time we are shooting this, the amount of period left is pretty less. So 9.5 months span is like out of reach. So we are looking at, and of course there is this whole chance of these products not being getting renewed, in terms of this coverage being extended may not actually happen, because these are short-term products. The idea is to give short-term protection. At least if it gets extended, the offering gets extended after March 31st, 2021, which is the cutoff date, then it's great. Otherwise, you're looking at a short-term sort of protection in terms of Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak, right? Now, if you're between 18 and 65, you can buy this policy, but the coverage is pretty wide, right? You can have individual coverage or family floater. Pretty much the way health insurance plans work. We are talking Corona Kavach right now, and so you can in a family floater or in a family you can cover 2 adults and up to 4 children. In terms of coverage, some policies would also cover dependent parents and parents-in-laws. So it's not bad at all. It covers even home treatment. So if you're doing it at home, the treatment is happening at home, things like cylinders and pulse oximeters and all that, they all get covered, right? So, but would you be taking COVID-19 related coverage for something like this if you're going to be treated at home? That's what you need to be thinking, right? This also depends on the kind of load your area is facing. So suppose that the hospitals are, there aren't serious things happening and hospital coverage is available, good hospitals are there, then it makes a lot of sense. Remember, one interesting thing, of course, is unlike other covers, standard covers, where your geography can play a role, where you stay can play a role in the premium. Here, the premium for in terms of age and everything is what is going to decide the premium for you. So where you stay or geographical sort of location is not going to be playing any role in a Corona Kavach kind of a product, right? The other thing which is very interesting is that your standard plans, if you were to have a standard plans, also cover it. So if you have an individual health plan, which is a standard plan, or a family floater, they would also cover hospitalization, but they don't cover things like PPE, they don't cover things like gloves, right? They won't cover Ayush treatment, they won't cover Unani treatment, homeopathic treatment for COVID-19. So these COVID-19 covers, that is one benefit, extra coverage that you can talk about. Whether that's substantial or not, we will need to evaluate, right? So we have talked about some of the other things. Also, important thing is if you have a comorbidity, suppose you've got some other disease getting into it, you will be covered for COVID-19 treatment in terms of Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak. Both Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak cover it. For Corona Rakshak, you need a 72-hour stay in hospital. Some of the other things that you need to keep in mind is that there's no cap on room rent here. So that's another, well, in standard plans that limitation is there. But the most important thing you need to keep in mind is that these COVID-19 plans are not a substitute for a comprehensive cover. Remember, if you don't have anything, this is something that you can get started, but you will still need an individual health plan. You'll need a family floater. Either you have an individual health plan or family floater. You can have both. You'll also need a critical illness cover. You'll also need daily hospital cash benefit. So this cash benefit that we were talking about here, that you can take, and for Corona Kavach, and that standard plan also you need to take. Otherwise, you will not be covered to the fullest in terms of health expenses are concerned, right? Now, Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak have been very popular. To date, roughly about 15 million people, 15 lakh people have taken it, 1.5 million people have taken it. So it's been very popular. But our sense is that it probably has awakened the need for health insurance among Indians, and the next step would be for those people who don't have the other broader covers, broader insurance plans, broader coverage insurance plans, they would need to take these plans. So the important thing for you is to keep this in mind when you're evaluating Corona covers. If you already have a plan, standard plan, you probably need to think very hard whether you want to take this or not. You might think of giving this a pass. But if you want to be even more secure and you feel more comfortable doing all this, getting an extra coverage, if you have these standard plans like a critical illness plan, individual health plan, you might as well take a COVID-19 plan like a Corona Kavach or a Corona Rakshak. So we hope you found this useful. If there are other thoughts, you can put them in the comment section. If you like this, hit the like button, share it with others, and wait for our next presentation. Check out other presentations in this Money Secure from Corona series. And till the next time, take very good care of yourself, and goodbye.